Start with a slip knot and chain 96, or else you can start off with any multiple of 10 plus 6 chains extra for the turning chain. One double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4. This is the 4th chain. And one double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next run one front loop single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the front loop. We'll be working only in one loop, that is the front loop. This is how it will look. Once you reach then, make the turning chain, chain 2, insert a hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert a hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made and one double crochet made. Next round, one double crochet is already made. Now make one double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. That's total 3 stitches. Now the next stitch will be making it in one row below, that is this stitch. This is the current stitch and this is the one stitch below, one row below, this one. And here, instead of inserting a hook from below, we will be inserting the hook from above like this. Yarn over. This is the current stitch and this is a stitch from one row below. This one, and insert a hook from above. Pull up a loop. Pull to the last 2 stitch. This is one front loop double crochet made. Now one double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. This is the next stitch. Be careful to skip one stitch. This is a stitch of this front loop double crochet. Now one front loop double crochet in the stitch from one row below. Insert your hook from above. One double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. This one. One front loop double crochet in the stitch from previous round. Now repeat this until the end. One double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. 1 front loop double crochet in the stitch from the previous round. You'll have 1 stitch left in the end. Make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next on 1 front loop single crochet in each and every stitch. This is the front loop. Once you reach the end, make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, 1 double crochet is already made. Now the next stitch will be making it in the front loop of the previous round. This one. 1 front loop double crochet in the stitch from the previous round. Insert hook from above. One double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. This is the next stitch. Be careful to skip the stitch. One front loop double crochet in the stitch from the previous round. Now repeat this until then. 1 double crochet each in the next 3 stitches. One front loop double crochet in the stitch from the previous round. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, 1 front loop single crochet in each and every stitch. Only the front loop. Once you reach the end, make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through the last 2 stitches. That's the turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now keep repeating this last 4 rounds until you reach the size which you need. That is round number 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 double crochet is already made. 1 double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. 1 front loop, double crochet in the stitch from the previous round. Insert a hook from the bow. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.